Elevate your baking, the art of healthy baking with whole grains. Have you ever contemplated the fascinating world of baking and how it can be transformed into a nutritious endeavor? Healthy baking with whole grains promises to unveil the secrets behind this tantalizing blend of wholesome ingredients and the culinary art of baking. But what precisely does it mean to bake healthily with whole grains, and how does it elevate the flavors and textures of your favorite treats? Join us on an enticing journey into the world of baking, where you'll discover that the key to delicious, health-conscious treats is as simple as incorporating whole grains into your recipes. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the captivating concept of healthy baking with whole grains, a practice that transcends traditional baking. It's about realizing that your favorite baked goods can be both indulgent and nutritious. Discover how this practice becomes the cornerstone of not just baking but also nourishing your body, ensuring that every bite of your creations not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supports your well-being. In a world where sugary, refined baked goods dominate the dessert landscape, the allure of healthy baking with whole grains becomes more pronounced. This is where the magic of nutrient-rich flour captivates. Explore how this practice empowers you to use a variety of whole grains like whole wheat, oats, and quinoa to boost the nutritional value of your baked goods. It's about elevating your treats to align with a health-conscious lifestyle. The journey takes an inspiring turn as we delve into the numerous health benefits of incorporating whole grains into your baking. From increased fiber and improved digestion to a lower glycemic index and sustained energy levels, you'll learn how healthy baking with whole grains can significantly impact your physical well-being. Uncover the science behind the nutritional value of whole grains and how they can contribute to a balanced diet. It's not just about health, it's also about the art of flavor and texture enhancement. The captivating element of the journey lies in how whole grains can transform the character of your baked goods. Discover how this practice introduces a delightful nuttiness, heartiness, and depth to your treats, making your baking not just about health but also about the art of culinary enhancement. Healthy baking with whole grains isn't about sacrificing flavor and texture, it's about discovering the versatility of whole grains and creative recipe modification. We'll delve into various baking techniques, recipe adaptations, and the art of combining whole grains with other nutritious ingredients to help you master the art of baking health-conscious and delicious treats. Efficiency is a cornerstone of this journey. You'll find that healthy baking with whole grains can be a time-effective and practical approach to transforming your baking repertoire. With the right knowledge and some creative ideas, you can seamlessly integrate these practices into your baking routine, ensuring that your treats are not only tasty but also health-conscious. Practical guidance is a vital part of this journey. We'll offer tips, techniques, and resources to help you embrace healthy baking with whole grains as a means to embark on a transformative journey toward creating delectable, nourishing baked goods. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your baking journey, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of baking with whole grains and elevate your baked treats to a new level of deliciousness and health consciousness. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.